Hello. As you know, next week we have the amazing EMO exhibition in Hanover, Germany. It's one of the most important exhibitions about manufacturing, CNC machines, CAD/CAM, anything related to manufacturing. And SolidCAM will be there in full force in an amazing booth in Hall 6. Now I just want to give you an update about AI in SolidCAM. You know, everybody now is talking about AI. Like, it has to be everywhere. So SolidCAM is always the leader in introducing new technology. And as you know, we have launched last year our SolidCAM Chatbot. Our chatbot is GPT-based, and we have taught it everything about SolidCAM. All our documentations, webinars, recordings. Like right now, we have launched the SolidCAM Academy that has recordings about all modules of SolidCAM based on the latest version. And even all these recordings are available to the chatbot. So you can ask the chatbot any question you want. Technical question, troubleshooting question, how to do. It knows everything about SolidCAM and will answer you in a concise and clear way, 24/7. It's available to you all the time. You can access it from SolidCAM or from the website, or even launch it as a program. So it's available to you. You can ask it question in any language, and it will answer you also in that language. In the answer, you will get a concise answer, and you could also link to the documentation from where it took the answer, so you could look at the complete documentation. And you get also the webinars where the subject mentioned there was talked about. And it will take you just exactly to that portion in the webinar where they talk about the subject you asked. So really, it's your companion for anything you want to know about SolidCAM. Whether you are a customer, you are a technical person in SolidCAM, you are a salesperson, or you are a prospect studying SolidCAM, checking it, you can use the chatbot. Next, you know, our customers have been asking us for a long time, when will you get CAM Assist of CloudNC inside SolidCAM? Well, I have good news. We are right now integrating CAM Assist 2.0 inside SolidCAM. Is the new version of CAM Assist that can give you even better control over the output. CAM Assist, basically, you can feed it the information about the CAM part that you are building inside SolidCAM, the tool table, the stock, the fixtures, and then ask it to prepare the programming steps. It will prepare the programming steps, and these programming steps are fed back into SolidCAM operations, and then you could look at the result, edit it, do changes. So CAM Assist integration in SolidCAM is coming. We'll show a sneak view about it in SolidCAM World 2025 in Prague in October 22 and 23, and the actual final integration will come later. So be sure whatever is good in AI will implement in SolidCAM. So see you next week in our booth in Hall 6 in Hanover, and then we can give you a demonstration of our amazing chatbot. Thank you.